Hello everyone, I'm so excited to do a little unboxing video with you today for my Fiji Sun Lamp. Now as you can see, I am a little bit on the fair side, so I take my tanning very seriously and I want it done right. I am so excited to try out the Fiji Sun Lamp in the comfort of my own home, and I'm really looking forward to it because honestly it gets really tiring buying fake tan and then just being left behind with streaks and all of that. And then honestly sometimes salons kind of even gross me out too. So I'm so excited to go ahead and do this in the comfort of my own home. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, I'm so excited. Wow, there it is. This is packaged really nicely, really securely, and there's even fragile stickers all over the box, so I really appreciate that. And there we go. This is the Fiji Sun Lamp. Now this comes completely assembled. All you have to do is plug it in and use it. There is a bar back here so that you can go ahead and rotate it backwards so that it can shine upwards. And it even comes with a power cord, which is very important. And in this bag right here, there is the instruction manual and all the information that you're gonna need about this, and 2 sets of goggles as well, which is super important. All right, and then here it is. This is so exciting. This is the Fiji Sun. Check it out. This is the perfect size for my household. It has a little handle right here so I can move it wherever I need. It's portable and it is convenient to use in any room of my home. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to use this, but I just want to say I am so excited to start saving time and money with my Fiji Sun. And this is actually the only FDA cleared sun lamp for at-home use. So I know I can definitely trust this and get a fantastic tan out of this. So I have the power cord plugged into the back of the Fiji Sun Lamp, and I'm going to go ahead and plug this into an outlet right behind me. Now it's super important to protect your eyes when using the Fiji Sun Lamp, so I'm going to be wearing one of the pairs of eye protecting goggles that came with the package. Now that we have our protective eyewear on, I'm going to set our timer and I'm going to turn it on for just a minute just to show you how bright this lamp can be. And when you're ready, hit power. And there you have it. Look just how bright that is. This is perfect for tanning in home. You can go ahead and set your timer for as long or as little as you'd like. There's also a guide in the instruction manual that helps you determine just how long you should tan. And be sure you're always wearing eye protection when this sun lamp is on. Since these are green, it gives this light kind of a green hue, so that's sort of fun. But I'm super excited to go ahead and use this and start tanning in my own bathroom so that I don't have to worry about going to salons or getting streaky from at-home tanning solutions. It's incredibly convenient and simple to have in your own home, and I'm so excited to start using it. You guys should definitely check it out for yourself too. This is the Fiji Sun Lamp.